bright blue waters, tropical rainforests, and breathtaking views. It's easy to see why Maui is known as the Magic Isle. Every year, millions travel from all over the world to visit this beautiful island, and it never fails to deliver. While nearly everyone hits the beaches to soak up the sun, more people are traveling off the beaten path to discover the adventurous side of the island. At Maui Sunriders, people do much more than travel off the beaten path. They travel down Maui's largest volcano on bikes.
We really make sure that everybody understands that this is an activity that maybe is not for everybody, you know, so we stress the safety aspect.
It's more of like a once-in-a-lifetime thing that I don't think a lot of people can say they've done, and being able to do it is just great. Like, biking down a volcano is definitely not an everyday experience.
The adventure begins early in the morning with the rising sun over Mount Haleakala. Then at 6,500 feet elevation, bikers veer off the beaten path and experience the thrill of a lifetime. Biking down a volcano isn't something that most people have ever done. On the way down to sea level, bikers are treated to unbelievable views and the small town feel of upcountry Maui.
It's great, all the little towns that you go through on the way down. They all have a different flavor, a very unique kind of aspect to them. There's just so many opportunities to experience all these different types of cultures and aspects of being in Hawaii.
Bike down the volcano with Maui Sunriders for a magical adventure that you'll never forget.